We are asked to describe the shape, outlier, center, and spread of our distribution. I think that actually when you do shape, outlier, center, and spread, that it's a lot easier to compare two graphs and talk about how their shape changes or how their shape is related to each other. But for this one sample, we're going to talk about the shape, outlier, center, and spread. The shape of this graph, because we have an upper outlier, which was tested on the previous video, we know that the shape of this is going to be skewed to the right, which means that the mean is actually getting pulled to the right of the median. That's what makes it actually skew. We have an upper outlier that we calculated for the University of Denver at 50,556. The median is 10,601.5, while the mean is 12,163, which was confirmed by the idea that that upper outlier is pulling that mean up, making it a greater value. The range overall, we could talk about either the range or the IQR or the variance for our box plot, but I just talked about the range is 44,830, which is very large considering we claim that the average cost of U.S. in-state colleges is $10,116. You can also see the IQR. It is between, about 9,000 and 14,000, so you could talk about that as well as a measure of spread.